Hi, my name is Nanette, Certified Master Herbalist and founder of aimtohealth.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own disinfecting wipes with simple things that you have in your home right now. So this type of product that you can get from the shelves or order online, they're going very quickly, and in a lot of places they've already run out. But you can make your own, and I'm going to show you just how to do that today. You're just going to need a few very simple ingredients. One is water, and we're going to start with 2 cups of water, and that's approximately 16 ounces. And we're also going to use some bleach. And for the 2 cups of water, we're going to use just 2 teaspoons of bleach. We may need more water than that, and if we do, we'll just go ahead and whip some up a little bit more. And you're also going to need a really good quality premium type of paper towel. What I like to get is the Kirkland brand from Costco, and this is, it's very thick and very absorbent, and it is 2-ply. So you'll want to look for something that's a 2-ply, and that'll be a very strong paper towel. What I'm going to be using here today is already used paper towel that's going to fit into the container that I chose. That's the other thing that you want to use, is either find an old plastic coffee can container, or even an empty diaper wipe container, or even just a plastic Tupperware from your cupboard that you're going to cut to size. You're going to cut the paper towel to size. So what I've chosen here is I have chosen an empty container, one of these containers that just got emptied, and I took the paper, the label that was on it off, and I named it myself, Disinfecting Wipes. And you can put any kind of label that you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure a little bit here. So we're going to take the paper towel and we're going to set it up here. And I've already made my line here where I want to match the height of my container. So you ready? We're going to go ahead and use our very sharp knife. Be very, very careful. And we're going to cut the paper towel. Here we go. Okay, so you just want to get it on a cutting board and you want to start to cut into it. It's going to take a little bit of effort, so be very, very careful. So I have my cut paper towel. What I'm going to do now, insert the paper towel into the container. So you just remove the lid, and we're going to put the paper towel right directly inside the container, just like that. And see how nicely that fits? And what we want to do is now measure 2 teaspoons of bleach and put it into the 2 cups of water. So that's 1, and that's 2. Now we're going to go ahead and stir that up. And what I like to do is add a secret ingredient, and that's my lemon essential oil. So I'll basically put about 10 drops of my lemon essential oil. I love that. It smells so fresh and so spring-like. Okay, that's about 10 drops right there. And we're going to stir that in as well. And now what we're going to do is take our container, and you want to pour slowly. And you want to make sure that the whole container, all of the paper towel, gets good and drenched. So you're pouring slowly and evenly. It's really that simple. So we're still pouring, we're getting it all in there, making sure that everything gets saturated with our bleach, 2 teaspoons of bleach and 2 cups of water and 10 drops of you can use your favorite essential oil, whatever you choose, or you don't have to use it at all. You can use, I have a friend who loves peppermint, and she'll use peppermint every single time, and it smells so good. So we're almost done here. Okay, so now what's next to do is we are going to pull that center cardboard out, and now that it's wet, it's actually going to be much easier. So we'll go ahead and lift that out. And here it comes. That's how easy it is. And now we want to go ahead and pull out the first sheet and get it started. So here it is. Here's the first sheet. And you can just rip it off and break it off just like you would a wipe from the commercial stores. So you can use this, you can wipe down your counters, you can wipe down your stove area, you can wipe down doorknobs, you can wipe down whatever it is that you want, any non-porous surface. And if you really want to sanitize it and disinfect it, leave the fluid dry on there for about 4 minutes. So here you have it, and you can put your lid back on and you can enjoy this as much as you want, anytime you want, and never run out, because you can make yourself as many of these containers as you want. And you'll have your bleach on hand, your water, your essential oils if you want to do that. And these are so handy. So share this information with your family, your friends, your coworkers, your neighbors. So it's so critically important to keep our areas nice and sanitized and disinfected. So do hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time one of my videos come out. And until next time, stay safe and be well.